Hello, good morning, friends. Welcome to our channel LabTech World. Myself Kishore Waghani, and today we are going to discuss OSSSC, that is Odisha Subordinate Staff Selection Commission Lab Technician Exam question paper. This exam was held on 6th of February 2022. So it is one of the recent question paper available to all of us, and we should be thankful to Mr. Kanhu Charan Patra for making this copy of question paper available exclusively on LabTech World. And before starting the solution of this question paper, I would like to request, if you are visiting our channel for first time, then please subscribe my channel LabTech World and press the bell icon to enable all notifications for my next upcoming videos. Because in this channel we are regularly uploading the videos of MCQs, previous year question paper with solution, and notifications of various recruitments for the post of lab technician. That is going to be very helpful for those who are preparing for the government jobs in various states for the post of lab technician. Let's start the solution of this question paper. This question paper contains total 3 parts. First part contains 10 questions related to the maths and reasoning, and in second part 5 questions are related to the English grammar, and in third part consists of 85 questions, out of which 80 questions are related to the laboratory technician field related questions, and 5 questions are related to the computer's basic knowledge. So we will directly start with the question number 16. Question number 16. Absorption of calcium is enhanced or increased by option number 1. Option A, vitamin A, B, vitamin E, C, vitamin D, option D, vitamin L. Fact available for this question, it is the principal function of vitamin D is to increase the calcium absorption from the intestine. So it is the function of vitamin D to enhance or increase the absorption of calcium. So option number C, vitamin D, will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 17. Which enzyme is more active between pH 8 and 10? And the options are A, amylase, B, lipase, C, alkaline phosphatase, D, acid phosphatase. Fact available for this question, it is the change in pH also alter the shape of an enzyme's active site. So it is very important for every enzyme's activity. So each enzyme works based at a specific pH value. For example, amylase works optimum in pH 4.5 to 7. Lipase, optimum pH for lipase it is 7.0, and for alkaline phosphatase it is 8 to 10 pH is optimum where it works, or its activity is maximum. For acid phosphatase is the pH 5 to 6 is the optimum pH for the acid phosphatase. So from the given information we can say it is alkaline phosphatase that works optimum or best at the pH 8 to 10. So option number C will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 18. Which part of brain controls intellectual ability? And the options are A, frontal lobe, B, parietal lobe, C, temporal lobe, D, occipital lobe. In fact available for this question, it is frontal lobe is under the forehead that controls the intellectual activities such as personality, behavior and emotional control. So it is frontal lobe that controls the intellectual ability. So option number A, frontal lobe, will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 19. How many types of tissues are present in human muscular system? And the options are A, 3, B, 5, C, 4, D, 2. Talking about the muscular system, in muscular system, muscle tissues is categorized into 3 distinct types. First is skeletal, second is cardiac, and third is smooth muscles. So we can say it is basically of 3 types. So option number A, 3, will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 20. Osteoporosis occurs as a result of dash mineral deficiency, and the options are A, sodium, B, iodine, C, calcium, D, iron. The fact available for this question, it is a lifelong lack of calcium plays a role in the development of osteoporosis. So we can say it is calcium deficiency that leads to the osteoporosis. Osteoporosis means osteoporosis causes the bone to become weak and brittle. So it is due to the deficiency of due to the deficiency of calcium. So option number C, calcium, will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 21. Cramp is involuntary, painful and localized blank of muscle, and the options are A, contraction, B, inflammation, C, relaxation, D, infection. Fact available for this question, it is cramp. A cramp is a sudden involuntary muscle contraction or over shortening. That means contraction. It is generally temporary and non-damaging. It can cause significant pain and paralysis like immobility of the affected muscle. So we can say it is contraction that occurs in the cramp. So option number A, contraction, will be the correct answer for this blank. Move to the next question, number 22. What reagent is mutagenic or clastogenic? And the options are A, crystal violet, B, picric acid, C, Jenkins fluid, D, Brazil's fixative. Fact available for this question, it is a clastogen is a mutagenic agent that disturbs the normal DNA related processes. Crystal violet is considered to be a potent clastogenic agent leading to the promotion of tumor growth in the certain aquatic organisms. So we can say it is crystal violet that is one of the mutagenic or clastogenic agents. So option A will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 23. Which chondroitin sulfate is present in the bone and cornea? And the options are A, chondroitin sulfate A, B, chondroitin sulfate C, C, chondroitin sulfate B, D, all of the above. Fact available for this question, it is chondroitin sulfate is a chemical found in human and animal cartilage used for the treatment of osteoarthritis and cataracts. There are three major forms of chondroitin sulfate, that is chondroitin sulfate A, chondroitin sulfate B, and chondroitin sulfate C. Majorly, it is chondroitin sulfate A and C found in 50-50% in the growth cartilage, whereas in adult cartilage it is only chondroitin sulfate C is found, that is totally it is chondroitin sulfate C that is found in the adult cartilage. So we can say it is option number B, chondroitin sulfate C, will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 24. The respiratory gases that are present in plasma are option A, helium and oxygen, B, nitrogen and oxygen, C, oxygen and carbon dioxide, D, hydrogen and oxygen. Fact available for this question, it is there are three vital respiratory gases present in the plasma. First is oxygen, second is nitric oxide, and third is carbon dioxide. So it will be option C, oxygen and carbon dioxide, will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 25. Iron in tissue is detected by which reaction? And the options are A, silver impregnation method, B, Prussian blue reaction, C, uranyl nitrate method, D, toluidine blue method. Fact available for this question, it is Prussian blue, also known as the pulse. Prussian blue is a stain used to demonstrate the distribution and amount of iron deposits in the liver tissue. So we can say it is Prussian blue reaction or Prussian blue stain is used for the detection of iron in the tissue. So option B will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 26. Glycosylated hemoglobin is performed on the following sample, and the options are A, serum, B, plasma, C, whole blood, D, urine. Fact available for this question, it is glycosylated hemoglobin is also known as the HbA1c test. Glucose molecules in the blood normally become stuck or attached to the hemoglobin molecules that makes the hemoglobin glycated or glycosylated hemoglobin. If the person's blood sugar is higher, then it will gives more glycated hemoglobin. And as we know, average lifespan of RBC is 120 days. So we can say glycosylated hemoglobin estimation also gives the average blood sugar of past 3 to 4 months. So here we have to need for glycated hemoglobin, we will need the RBCs and whole blood. So option number C, whole blood sample will be required for the glycosylated hemoglobin. So option C will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 27. The tablet used for the glucose testing in urine is option A, Clinitest, B, Ictotest, C, ACE test, D, TCA, tricarboxylic acid test. Fact available for this question, it is Clinitest or tablet test is a method for detecting glucose in the urine sample where copper sulfate is reduced to the cuprous oxide in presence of alkaline medium provided by the NaOH. This test is rarely used today, which is replaced by the Benedict's test. And in this test, green to orange color is depend upon the concentration of sugar. So we can say it is option A, Clinitest, that is known as the tablet test or tablet that is used for the glucose estimation or glucose testing in the urine. So option A will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 28. Which unit converts the user data into machine readable form? And the options are A, input unit, B, output unit, C, ALU, D, control unit. And the correct answer for this question, it is input unit that converts the user data into the machine readable data or machine readable form. So option A will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 29. An organ or structure that is not component of the urinary system is option A, urethra, B, urinary bladder, C, ureter, D, adrenal gland. Fact available for this question, it is the urinary system is composed of two kidneys, ureter, urinary bladder and urethra. So we can say it is adrenal gland that is not the part of the or component of the urinary system. So option D will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 30. Large intestine has all parts except option A, cecum, B, sigmoid colon, C, ascending colon, D, jejunum. Fact available for this question, it is the large intestine is composed of cecum, ascending colon, transverse colon, descending colon and sigmoid colon, whereas jejunum is the part of the small intestine. So option D, jejunum will be the correct answer for this question. That is not the part of large intestine. Move to the next question, number 31. Which type of radiations are used for the sterilization of or sterilizing syringe and catheters? And the options are A, ultraviolet radiation, B, infrared radiation, C, gamma radiation, D, X-rays. Fact available for this question, it is gamma radiation is used in the sterilization of plastic syringe, infusion sets, catguts, sutures, catheters, gloves and adhesive dressing before use. So it is option C, gamma radiation will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 32. Most naturally occurring antigens are A, protein, B, lipids, C, polysaccharides, D, nucleic acid. The fact available for this question, antigens are mainly made up of proteins and some of antigens are made up of polysaccharides with lipid and nucleic acid. So we can say they are majorly made up of proteins. So option A, protein will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 33. Commonest bacteria in milk is option A, Bacillus cereus, B, Lactobacilli, C, coliform bacilli, D, Proteus vulgaris. Fact available for this question is Lactobacillus grows well in the milk and food made from milk. They are responsible for the souring of milk. Some strains of Lactobacilli are used to make cheese and yogurt too. That particularly Lactobacillus bulgaricus. So we can say it is Lactobacillus, that is bacteria found in the milk. Option B will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 34. When performing a venipuncture, bright red blood spots in the tube. This means option A, an arterial puncture, B, high hemoglobin, C, high blood pressure, C, high blood pH. Fact available for this question, it is an arterial bleeding or puncture is characterized by the rapid pulsing spots, sometimes several meter high, suggest an arterial puncture. So we can say if we'll found bright red blood spots while performing venipuncture, it may be a arterial puncture. So option A will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 35. Silver methenamine stain is used for the detection of option A bacteria, B parasites, C fungi, D all options. Fact available for this question, it is silver methenamine stain, also known as the Gronot's methenamine silver stain, that is GMS stain, is a commonly used for the identification of fungi on cytosmear and tissue sections. If it imparts black color to the fungi and green color to the background. So we can say it is used for the identification of fungi. Option C will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 36. Name the structural analog of vitamin K which is used as anticoagulant. And the options are A warfarin, B tocopherol, C ergocalciferol, D beta carotene. Fact available for this question, it is warfarin is an anticoagulant drug, that is, or blood thinning drug, that is structurally similar to the vitamin K and acts as a competitive inhibitor of the vitamin K. So it is option A, warfarin will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 37. Blank is not a salivary gland. And the options are A submandibular gland, B sublingual gland, C parotid gland, D thyroid gland. Then the fact available for this question, it is salivary glands are the glands that make saliva, which helps in swallowing and digestion of food and protects our teeth from the bacteria. There are three pairs of salivary glands. First is parotid gland, second is sublingual gland, and third is submandibular gland. So we can say it is thyroid gland, that is not the example of salivary gland. So option D will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 38. Knot concentration method is used for the demonstration of option A malarial parasite in the blood film, B microfilary in the peripheral blood film, C Leishmania donovani in the bone marrow aspirate, D Trypanosoma cruzi in the blood. The fact available for this question, it is knot concentration method, or also known as the knots method, is used for the concentration and identification of microfilary, especially heartworm, that is Dirophilaria immitis in the blood. So we can say it is used for the demonstration of microfilary in the peripheral blood film. Option B will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 39. Which biochemical test is done for the identification of Pseudomonas, Neisseria and Vibrio groups? And the options are A gluconate test, B oxidation fermentation test, C urease test, D oxidase test. And the fact available for this question, it is the oxidase test is used to determine if an organism possesses the cytochrome oxidase enzyme or not. And the organisms that have these enzymes are Pseudomonas, Neisseria, Vibrio, Campylobacter, Aeromonas, Brucella, Pasturella and many more. So we can say it is oxidase test that is used for the identification of Pseudomonas, Neisseria and Vibrio group. So option D will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 40. Section cutting machine is also known as option A microtome, B histomate, C histocut, D histoform. And the fact available for this question, it is a microtome is a specialized precision cutting instrument which accurately and repeatedly slices the section from a block of embedded tissues in histology. So it will be option A microtome will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 41. Find the incorrect statement about the biological functions of lipid. And the options are A storage form of metabolic fuel, B. Have a protective function in bacteria, plant and insect. C. The structural components of membrane. D. Exhibits increased catalytic activity. And the fact available for this question, it is lipid does not have a catalytic activity that make it difficult to determine their function at molecular level. So we can say the option D, catalytic exhibits increased catalytic activity, will be the wrong statement regarding the biological functions of the lipid. Rest of the three are the correct function of the lipid. So option D will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 42. Inability to write is known as option A, alexia, B, aphasia, C, agraphia, D, myopia. And the fact available for this question, it is correct answer for this question, it is option C, agraphia is the term that is used for the inability to write. So option C will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 43. In which condition there is no increase in blood sugar level or blood glucose level? And the options are A, hyperglycemic glycosuria, B, renal glycosuria, C, elementary glycosuria, D, all options. And the fact available for this question, it is renal glycosuria is a rare condition which too much blood sugar or glucose is removed through the urine with normal or low blood sugar. It is due to the defect in the tubular cells of the kidney. So we can say it is in condition of renal glycosuria, there is no increase in the blood sugar level. So option B, renal glycosuria, will be the correct answer, where there is no increase in the blood sugar level with urine glucose level is, or you can find the glucose in the urine. Option B will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 44. The most common cause of bacterial sore throat is option A, Streptococcus pyogenes, B, Haemophilus influenza, C, both A and B, D, Mycoplasma pneumonia. The fact available for this question, it is many bacterial infections can cause a sore throat. The most common is Streptococcus pyogenes, that causes the strep throat. H. influenza or Haemophilus influenza does not cause the sore throat. So option A, Streptococcus pyogenes, will be the correct answer, that causes the bacterial sore throat. So option A will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 45. Before performing a routine and micro on a specimen, a urine would be option A, filtered, B, brought to room temperature, C, centrifuged, D, well mixed. And the fact available for this question, it is for routine test, in routine and micro, we should mix the urine sample, and before the microscopy we have to centrifuge the sample. So, and if it is stored at in the refrigerator, then it should be kept at the room temperature, but generally it should be well mixed before the routine test, and after that we have to centrifuge for the microscopy. So option D, well mixed, will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 46. Outer cortex of kidney is blank in color, and the options are A, blue black, B, reddish brown, C, yellowish green, D, orange red. And the correct answer for this question, it is the outer cortex of kidney is reddish brown in color. So option B will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 47. Which simple protein is soluble in dilute alcohol but not in absolute alcohol? And the options are A, scleroprotein, B, histones, C, prolamines, D, protamines. And the fact available for this question, it is histone is the water soluble, rest of the three, that means scleroprotein, prolamine and protamines, are the water insoluble amino acids or simple proteins. So we can say option B, histones will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 48. Which technique is used in histology for immediate diagnosis? And the options are A, paraffin technique, B, frozen section technique, C, celloidine section technique, D, none option. Fact available for this question, it is frozen section cutting is a procedure in a pathological lab to perform rapid microscopic analysis of the specimen. So it is option B, frozen section technique is the immediate diagnosis technique used in the histology. So option B will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 49. Which of the following is a substitute for crystal violet used in the gram staining procedure? Options are A, methylene blue, B, bromocresol green, C, safranin, D, phenolphthalein. And the fact available for this question, it is the primary stain of the gram staining is crystal violet. Crystal violet is sometimes substituted with methylene blue, which is equally effective. So option A, methylene blue will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 50. Section cutting is best after option A, heating the block, B, cold treatment, C, room temperature, D, at 37 degrees Celsius. Fact available for this question, it is cold treatment that provides more rigidity to the specimen, that will be easier for section cutting or best or advisable for the before the section cutting. So option B, cold treatment will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 51. What is the responsibility of the logical unit in the CPU of a computer? And the options are A, to provide result, B, to compare numbers, C, to control the flow of information, D, to do maths work. The fact available for this question, it is the responsibility of logical unit in CPU of computer is to control the flow of information. So option C will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 52. In the human body, the largest endocrine gland is called option A, parathyroid gland, B, thyroid gland, C, pituitary gland, D, adrenal gland. And the fact available for this question, it is largest endocrine gland in the human body is thyroid gland, smallest is pituitary gland, and for talking about the exocrine gland, it is liver, that is the largest exocrine gland, and pineal gland is the smallest exocrine gland. So here for endocrine, it is thyroid gland will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 53. Which hormone is a polypeptide? In the options are A, TSH, B, insulin, C, both A and B, D, none the options. And the fact available for this question, it is insulin and TSH both are the polypeptide in nature, as both of these contains the alpha chain and beta chain made up of amino acid. So both insulin and TSH are polypeptide. So option C, A and B, both A and B will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 54. Which mineral is required for the synthesis of DNA, RNA and phospholipid? And the options are A, sodium, B, calcium, C, potassium, D, phosphorus. And the fact available for this question, it is phosphorus is involved in the cell membrane structure as a phospholipid and in formation of coding as DNA and RNA. So we can say it will be options D, phosphorus will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 55. Which part supplies nutrient from the maternal blood to the fetus? And the options are A, uterus, B, placenta, C, fallopian tube, D, vagina. Fact available for this question, it is placenta that supplies the nutrient from maternal blood to the fetus. So option B will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 56. What is the purpose of CSSD? And the options are A, storage of clean equipment, B, providing sterile equipment to the operation theatre, C. Storing sterile equipment. D. Pharmacy of operation theatre. Fact available for this question, it is CSSD, that is the Central Sterile Supply Department, provides guaranteed sterile instrument or equipments to the all department of the hospital for immediate use in the patient's care, especially in operation theatre. So option B, providing sterile equipment to the operation theatre, will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 57. Which method is most commonly used for the uric acid estimation? And the options are A. Barthelot method, B. Kerway's method, C. Diacetyl monoxide method, D. Sulfosalicylic acid test or method. Fact available for this question is it is Kerway's method that is used for the uric acid estimation, whereas diacetyl monoxide method is used for the estimation of urea. Barthelot's method or test is used for the ammonia estimation, and sulfosalicylic acid is the test used for the protein detection in the urine. So from the given information we can say option B, Kerway's method, will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 58. Which enzyme is present mainly in the prostate and increased in prostatic cancer? And the options are A. Alkaline phosphatase, B. Isocitrate dehydrogenase, C. Acid phosphatase, D. Amylase. Fact available for this question, it is acid phosphatase, also known as the prostatic acid phosphatase, is the enzyme produced by the prostate, and highest level of this enzyme is seen in the metastatized prostatic cancer. So as per the information we can say option C, acid phosphatase, will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 59. Smear should be prepared and fixed immediately for cytology because option A, exfoliated cell degenerate rapidly, B, exfoliated cell may be blown away, C, the nuclei of the cells get extruded from the cell, D, cytoplasm develops granularity. Fact available for this question, it is smear should be prepared and fixed immediately for the cytology because exfoliated cells degenerates rapidly. So option A will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 60. Which converts the user data into machine readable form? The same repeat question from the same question paper. Options are A, input unit, output unit and control unit, B, central processing unit, C, output unit, D, decoder unit. And the correct answer for this question, it is input unit, that is present in option A. So I think it will be option A will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 61. Which of the following is a cytological fixative? Options are A, Fleming's fluid, B, Carnot's fluid, C, Gantry's fluid, D, none option. Fact available for this question, it is Carnot's fluid is an example of cytological fixative containing mainly absolute alcohol used in fixing of carbohydrate containing specimens. So option B, Carnot's fluid, will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 62. Which type of phospholipid is found in the brain tissues? Options are A, phosphatidyl ethanolamine, B, phosphatidyl choline, C, phosphatidyl serine, D, plasminogens. Fact available for this question, it is brain tissue contains phospholipids enriched with long chain of polyunsaturated fatty acid, and the most abundant in is phosphatidyl choline. So option B, phosphatidyl choline, will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 63. The agent which prevents multiplication of bacteria is known as option A, bactericidal, B, disinfectant, C, germicidal, D, bacteriostatic. Fact available for this question, it is bacteriostatics are the substances that are capable of stopping the bacterial growth and reproduction without killing the organism. So option D will be the correct answer for this question. You have to understand all the rest three terms, that is bactericidal, disinfectant and germicidal, and their basic difference. Move to the next question number 64. The secretion from the lung which is tested for malignant cells is called option A spittle, B semen, C saliva, D sputum. Fact available for this question, it is sputum is the sample or secretion that is collected from the lung tested for the malignant testing or malignant cell testing. So option D sputum will be the correct answer for this question. Spittle, that means the saliva from the mouth, so options A will be not the correct answer. A will not be the correct answer for this question. Option D sputum will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 65. Largest virus is option A parvovirus, B herpes virus, C pox virus, D mycoplasma. And the correct answer for this question, it is option C pox virus. We have already discussed in our MCQs. It is a double-stranded DNA virus seen in the, it can be seen in the light microscope also. So it is one of the largest virus. So option C pox virus will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 66. Blank is secreted by the posterior pituitary gland. Options are A vasopressin, B luteinizing hormone, C growth hormone, D follicle stimulating hormone. And the fact available for this question, it is oxytocin and arginine vasopressin is synthesized in the hypothalamus and secreted by the posterior pituitary gland. So we can say option A vasopressin will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 67. Which part of central nervous system is present in the vertebral canal? Options are A cerebrum, B midbrain, C cerebellum, D spinal cord. And it is one of the easiest question, and the correct answer for this question, it is spinal cord, that is the part of central nervous system present in the vertebral canal. Rest of the three, cerebrum, midbrain and cerebellum, are the parts of the brain. So option D will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 68. The virus antigen is abundant in lesions, then it can be detected by which method? And the options are A complement fixation test, B immunofluorescence test, C neutralization test, D all options. It can be detected if virus antigens is abundant in lesions, so all methods are capable of detecting the virus antigens. So option D all options will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 69. Chickenpox is caused by option A herpes simplex virus, B varicella virus, C adenovirus, D none option. And the correct answer for this question, it is caused by the varicella virus. So option B will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 70. Animal cells are interconnected by option A plasma membrane, B cell wall, C desmosomes, D plasmodesmata. And the correct answer for this question, it is desmosomes are the specialized adhesive protein complex that connects the animal cells. So option C desmosomes will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 71. What is the name of the computer terminal which gives paper printout? And the options are A display screen, B soft copy terminal, C hard copy terminal, D plotter. Correct answer for this question is option C hard copy terminal is the computer terminal that gives paper printout. Option C will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 72. Commercially available ELISA kits are used for the detection of option A rotavirus, B hepatitis B surface antigen, C HIV anti-HIV antibodies, D all of these. And the correct answer for this question, it is option D all of the above. That means rotavirus, hepatitis B surface antigen, anti-HIV antibodies, all are detected using the commercially available ELISA kits. So option D will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 73. Which of these amino acids are essential for infant? And the options are A. Methionine, B. Arginine and histidine, C. Valine, D. Lysine and leucine. Fact available for this question, it is essential amino acids for infants is histidine, that is present in the option B. So option B will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 74. Which piece of histology equipment is not temperature dependent? And the options are A. Wax, B. Microtome, C. Embedding center, D. Water bath. And the correct answer for this question, it is option B. Microtome is the part of the histology equipment that is not temperature dependent. So option B will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 75. Cholesterol is synthesized mainly in which part of the body? Options are A. Heart, B. Lung, C. Liver, D. Kidney. And the correct answer for this question, it is synthesized in the mainly in the liver. So option C, liver will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 76. Catalase production is negative in which of the following? And the options are A. Streptococcus, B. Salmonella, C. Proteus, D. Staphylococcus. Fact available for this question, it is catalase test is used for the differentiation of streptococci from the staphylococcus. Streptococci is catalase negative, whereas staphylococcus is catalase positive. So option A will be the correct answer for this question, that is catalase negative for the catalase negative. So option A will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 77. By which tube middle ear communicates anteriorly with nasopharynx? And the options are A. Trachea, B. Eustachian tube, B. C. Esophagus, D. None option. And the correct answer for this question, it is by Eustachian tube, option B. The middle ear communicates anteriorly with nasopharynx. So option B will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 78. Neuromuscular transmission is mediated by option A. Acetylcholine, B. Lipoprotein, C. Triglyceride, D. Nitroglycerin. And the correct answer for this question, it is neuromuscular transmission is depends on the concentration of acetylcholine. So option A, acetylcholine will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 79. In which type of stain the organism is stained in a different shade of color from that of the stain? Options are A. Indirect stain, B. Negative stain, C. Metachromatic stain, D. Spore stain. Fact available for this question, it is metachromatic stain is the stain that is characterized by the staining of an organism in a different color or shades from that of the stain. That examples of metachromatic stain is toluidine stain, that stains the organism from blue to red depending upon the glycosamine glycan content of that specimen. So option C, metachromatic stain, will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 80. The general formula for polysaccharide is option A. C6H10O5 is to N, B. C6O5 multiplied by N, C. C6H10O6 multiplied by N, D. C6H12O6 multiplied N. And the correct answer for this question, it is the general formula for polypeptide is C6H10O5 N. So option A will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 81. How many ribs are present in human body? Options are A. 12, B. 12 pair, C. 24 pair, D. 14. And the correct answer for this question, it is there are generally 12 pairs of ribs present in the human body. So option B, 12 pair, will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 82. During section cutting, if paraffin wax is too soft, then section is option A. Crumbled, B. Thick, C. Thin, D. None option. And the correct answer for this question, it is option A. It will be scrambled. Move to the next question, number 83. Fallopian tube in female has option A, an uterine end, B, an ampulla, C, a fumbrial end, D, all options. And the fact available for this question, it is an uterine end is the end of the fallopian tube opens in the uterus, whereas an ampulla is connected with the infundibulum, and a fumbrial end is the finger-like projections of the fallopian tube. So we can say all of the three are the parts of the fallopian tube. All of the three are the parts of the fallopian tube in the female. So option D, all options will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 84. Which alcohol is most frequently used as a skin disinfectant? And the options are A, methyl alcohol, B, industrial alcohol, C, isopropyl alcohol, D, all options. And the fact available for this question, it is option C, isopropyl alcohol equally or greater than 70% volume by volume is the used as the skin disinfectant. So option C will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 85. Blank is the longest bone, and the options are A, hip bone, B, scapula, C, tarsal bone, D, femur. Correct answer for this question, it is option D, femur is the longest bone of the human body. So option D will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 86. Which method is used for the cultivation of virus? Options are A, animal inoculation, B, inoculation of embryonated eggs, C, tissue culture method, D, all options. Fact available for this question, it is various methods for the cultivation of viruses are animal inoculation, inoculation into embryonated eggs, and cell cultures. So from the given information we can say all the three options are correct. So option D, all options will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 87. In animals, carbohydrate is stored in which part of the body? Options are A, liver, B, muscles, C, both A and B, D, intestine. Fact available for this question, it is carbohydrates are stored in the body in skeletal muscles and liver, both. So option C, both A and B will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 88. Somatic nervous system consists of dash or blank pairs of cranial nerves. Options are A, 12, B, 18, C, 65, D, 8. We all know it is 12 pairs of the cranial nerves that somatic nervous system consists of. So option A will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 89. Which acid increases the staining intensity of eosin? Options are A, hydrochloric acid, B, acetic acid, C, nitric acid, D, trichloroacetic acid. Fact available for this question, it is acetic acid that sharpens the staining of the eosin, and it is added into 1000 ml of stain in proportion of 0.5 ml. So option B, acetic acid will be the correct answer, that is used to intensify the staining of the eosin. Move to the next question, number 90. In essential pentosuria, urine contains option A, D-ribose, B, D-xylulose, C, L-xylulose, D, D-xylose. Fact available for this question, it is essential pentosuria is a condition characterized by the high level of sugar called L-xylulose. So option C will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question, number 91. Which of the following enzyme is a sensitive marker of alcoholic liver disease? Options are A, alanine transaminase, B, aspartate transaminase, C, alkaline phosphatase, D, gamma glutamyl transferase. Fact available for this question, it is gamma glutamyl transferase is a cheap and high sensitive and reliable marker for the alcoholic liver disease. So option D, gamma glutamyl transferase will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 92. Immunoglobulins are which type of protein in nature? Options are A. Alpha globulin, B. Beta globulin, C. Gamma globulin, D. Delta globulin. Fact available for this question, it is immunoglobulins are mostly gamma globulin in nature. Some immunoglobulins are not gamma globulin, but most of the immunoglobulins are gamma globulins in the nature. So option C, gamma globulins, will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 93. Which type of microscope is mostly used for the routine microbiological work? Options are A. Phase contrast microscope, B. Bright field microscope, C. Electron microscope, D. Fluorescent microscope. Very easy question, and the correct answer for this question, it is bright field microscope is generally used for the most routinely microbiological work. So option B will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 94. Which solvent is not flammable? Options are A. Ether, B. Ethanol, C. Methanol, D. Saline. It is also one of the easiest question, and the correct answer for this question, it is saline, that is not the flammable. Rest of the three, ether, ethanol and methanol, all are the flammable solutions. So option D will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 95. Which fixative is used in pap stain? Options are A. Formalin, B. Alcohol ether, C. Carnoise fluid, D. Bovin's fluid. Fact available for this question, it is alcohol ether is the fixative that is used in the Papanicolaou staining. So option B, alcohol ether, will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 96. For electron microscopy study, dehydration of tissue is started with blank percent alcohol. Options are A. 40%, B. 50%, C. 60%, D. 70%. Fact available for this question, it is for electron microscopy study, dehydration of tissue is started with 50% ethanol for 10 minutes at 4 degrees Celsius, 70% ethanol for 15 minutes at room temperature, and then 90% ethanol for 30 minutes at room temperature, and finally at 100% ethanol for 1 hour. So it is generally started with 50% ethanol. So option B will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 97. Antioxidant property of vitamin C is due to option A. Phenolic hydroxyl group, B. Sulfhydryl group, C. Active reducing group, D. Alcoholic group. Fact available for this question, it is due to the active reducing group, vitamin C oxidizes itself and acts as a reducing agent. So antioxidant property of vitamin C is due to its active reducing group. Option C will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 98. The eosin solution used in H and E stain are prepared from option A. Eosin Y, B. Eosin Z, C. Eosin C, D. Eosin R. Fact available for this question, it is eosin is a class of fluorescent red dye that has two closely related compounds, eosin Y and eosin B, for which eosin Y is commonly used in the preparation of H and E stain. So option A, eosin Y, will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the next question number 99. Which of the following items are examples of storage device? Options are A. Floppy or hard disk, B. CD-ROMs, C. Tab devices, D. All of the above. We can say all of the above. Option A, B and C are the examples of storage device. So option D will be the correct answer for this question. Move to the final question of this question paper. Which skin test is done to demonstrate circulating diphtheria antitoxin? Options are A. Petrov's method, B. Montek's test, C. Schick's test, D. Lapromin's skin test. Fact available for this question, it is Petrov's test used for the Mycobacterium tuberculosis, with Montek's test that is also used for the Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Schick's test is used for the detection of diphtheria, and Lapromin's skin test is used in case of leprosy. So from the given information, we can say option C, Schick's test, will be the correct answer for this question. That's all for the today. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe my channel LabTech World And if you like my work, then like and share my videos with your friends. Thank you very much.